Here he goes, pushing it again.
Oh, go, baby, go.
She's
Got
down.
it that time.
Timber! Timber! Welcome to Strickland Farms.
What's going on, YouTube? Strickland Farms here. Just got my clay dumped. I don't know how many tons it is. He's got a short dump truck, so seems to be pretty good. Just don't want it to be kind of sandy clay. But we'll see. We'll let John Wayne determine that. So it came to my attention that in my talkings about this pond and dam and all that, I didn't even show the hole. So I'm gonna flip the camera around, walk down the dam. We're gonna fix a couple other places. Oh, that's a big old fish. Dang. About time to come over here and start. That's a bass too, I see. That didn't help. Hold on. You gotta get the light right to see them. But there's a big old bass sitting there. But like this right here, I wanna fix this for cows to cut down in there. He's gonna pop out these little trees and all. He's gonna leave the big trees. But needs a little work. I'm probably not gonna let my cows on the dam. I'm gonna fence the dam off. But here's the hole. Pretty big. Pretty deep too. I can see the bottom of it. I guess you can too. But pipe's right there. Runs under. We're just trying to stop it. So I'd hate to lose this pond. Especially it's full of fish. I reckon it's full of fish. It's got some bass in it. Pretty pond to me. But I came to pay the dump truck driver. And so now he's paid, I think I'm going bush hog for a second. So y'all stay tuned. All right, YouTube. It's good and dark. 5:34. Man, it gets dark too early. But before lights go out, I'm gonna head to the truck. We'll pick this up tomorrow. All right, everybody, it's Wednesday. What's today? Today's the last day of school, wasn't it? December 20th. My dad's in the 6120 moving dirt. The dam's cleaned off. That's awesome. Got a boy John Wayne. That's a load of dirt right there. A little much.
What else is going on?
Much better.
What else is going on?
We'll see. Wherever he feels like it. Hey, go get Popper and John Wayne's drink. Man, it looks so much better. He took all them bushes out. Which took that cedar tree out too. He did with the excavator. Big stick crane and excavator. Big stick crane and excavator done it. That's his name of his company. Hold on, watch out for Popper. Get over to the side. All right. Man, that already looks a lot better. Guys, go and get another load. All right, take him a drink. All right, the hole is filled. Now we've moved on to knocking trees down. Oop. Look at that.
Here he goes, pushing it again.
Oh, go, baby, go.
He's
Got it that
down.
time.
Timber! Timber!
Look at that root right there. Yeah, you ain't big enough.
You're probably not big enough either. Wait, I want to jump down there.
No, all them roots poking up.
Look at that. That's good firewood.
It is. Look how tall that stump is compared to William. That tree was bigger than I thought. Here we go for number 2.
He's going in the air. He's going in the air, Dad. Here he comes. And there he goes. Here's the first one.
Good try. There you go. Oh.
Yeah, he's not trying to never mind, he's trying to.
That thing's huge. I mean, it makes that excavator look tiny.
He takes that down. If he pushes that down, that's going to be
Yeah. I'm thinking it's just gonna knock limbs down. Look at that. That is one big old tree.
That's like 3 trees combined.
Oh, I missed it.
Jibbity,
I would have never guessed it would have went. That's crazy.
I knew it was that rotten.
Oh.
It was pretty rotten.
Man, look how that thing busted up.
I never knew he could do that.
We'll burn that sucker right where it's laying.
Can we do it today?
No, it'll burn a long time.
I do it tomorrow morning when we first get up, then we'll start burning it.
Look at that thing.
Look at that roof. That's twice the size of me.
That is one. Oh my God.
Ow. Look at that. That's taller than me. That's almost taller than you. Don't you think that's...
All right, YouTube, that's it. All the dead trees are down. The dam's fixed. John Wayne's got his machine loaded up, strapping it down, and William's going to give him a check for his service. We appreciate it, man.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, crap.